Yeah, I'm gonna try to. Can you just get your computer? You don't need to put on the projector, but just check to see the comments so I can check. Because I can't load it. Wait a little bit before you turn it on too here. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, Freeman, you should make a post in the club. That is a stream. Alright. Is it someone? Okay. I don't know, dude. I'm gonna have to figure it out later. Sorry. Next time. Yo, it's gonna be you went to the club last time, didn't you? A couple times? Yeah, there's like a much there's been a lot of greater interest showing in Smash 4, so hopefully it's more than just like the one setup that's like usually casual. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Oh my goodness, my voice sounds disgusting. Just don't play it through those speakers. You're gonna have to turn it off in the middle, but just listen through your computer so I can tell the balance. Listen to the computer so I can tell the balance. Good? Oh, I just use OBS. I mean, isn't it like the same? Isn't XSplit like slightly better, but you'd pay for it? Yeah. I think it can. It says it can, but I don't know how to get it to. Because this is 30, right? Oh. Yeah. How much does XSplit cost? It's a monthly thing. Alright, I mean, I need to figure out how to use this too. But yeah, if you bring it, you know how to use it. Yeah, I'd be down to figure it out. For now, I'm just gonna. I mean, dude, I could use help. I don't have no idea what's going on. Alright, actually.
up, guys? Solid Dog on the mic right now. We have... Actually, I'm not sure what these players are. What's up? Yeah, it's a really good video quality, actually. So this is BFS, a tournament for Melee. This is our early bird tournament. We started really early. We started day 1. It's kind of crazy. So we have 2 players I actually don't know their tags yet, but we have Falco versus Dr. Mario on FD. I assume that they didn't start here because Dr. Mario actually has a chain grab on Falco, which is really, really nasty. So Falco can't really escape that. So if anything, I would say this might be game 2 or 3 with Dr. Mario's pick. I actually don't. I just came in mid-set, so I'm not exactly sure. So ooh, nice F smash. V-Stock? Yeah, Falco's recovery is not so great. One of my friends actually refight chains. He always says spaces always spawn at death percent, so do you have a chain grab? No, misses it. Falco DI's behind. Really smart. Interesting cape attempt. I'm not sure what was going for. Ooh. Okay. That won't kill though. Oh, good attempt, but misses it. A missed wave dash will cause him to eat a laser. Really dominating from Dr. Mario right now. It's actually good to see really good Dr. Mario mains. Sorry about this stream. Nice down tilt to clean out that stock. Falco's down tilt is actually deceptively strong. It's really good against floaties. I'll usually kill around 110-ish on most stages. Nice empty hop to F tilt. That was actually really nice. But gets caught by that by Dr. Mario's ultimate. Ooh, good cape. And that will seal it.